this is it. What is not to love about today? Some fake stuff, some real stuff. What the hell? Boom. My god, this thing is fast! Oily. I think we can continue. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Martin, and today I'm taking a quick look at this fantastic Audi RS3. It's the one with the DASA engine, it's the one with the Astronic, it's the one without OPF, and the one with a big fat turbo. So that's all good news. It's nice and cold in the air, the tarmac is nice and warm, we have a beautiful car. What is not to love about today? I really like this. I'm going to do a quick lap around the car. I don't have a lot of time. My next car is already waiting for me as we speak, so I'm going to do a quick lap around the car. Good news, we have fantastic tires on this. Continental Sport Contact 7 might be my favorite tire at the moment. These things offer so much feel, traction, everything. They're a bit up compared to a Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, if you ask me. So we have a lot of modifying going on, like a little spoiler, little diffuser right there. Don't really care about that, to be honest. Stuff like this. Some carbon, some fake stuff, some real stuff. I'm going to skip all that because this, in a mechanical sense, in a technical sense, is the best Audi RS3 I've ever driven. Yes, it really is. So, as I said, it does have an upgrade turbo. It's fully TÜV approved. What? I don't think this is. What the hell? Let me mend that for you. How did that happen? So Sven, the owner, he wanted an upgrade turbocharger, and he went for a smaller one than we're used to. So normally we get these TTE 700s on here, and the downside of that is you get a massive turbo gap. So nothing happens, and then boom, I don't know what that sound is, 675 horsepower. This one is a little smaller, so made to do 600 horsepower. It says 575 in the paper, so we're going to assume that's the right number. And let me tell you, this is the right one. The smaller turbocharger is the better one. You nearly have no turbo lag whatsoever compared to the stock car. There is some, but you know, it's very doable. What is that? That's just water. It's not oily. I think we can continue. So let's just get inside and let me show you guys that this is the best Audi RS3 out there. If you don't agree, if you have a better one after seeing this video, please do come visit us and we can check it out. So I just recorded my review in the B-roll, but it's simply too fast for that kind of driving. So here we are on the Autobahn. So second gear, watch this. That's 100 to 200 in 6.2 seconds. And the beautiful thing about this turbo kit is that it's so usable. You don't have any lag. Well, little to no lag compared to the stock car. But the aggression right up until the rev limiter is just fantastic. So even though we have 100 horsepower less than with the TTE 700 turbocharger, before that 700 horsepower point, well 675, it loses a lot of power compared to this. So this, when you step on it, just has loads of power, and the aggression of it building up is just fantastic. You can really feel the whole car just being pushed by that magnificent engine, and it is such a nice sensation. It's fantastic. The only thing I don't like, I'm in manual mode right now, and it's the fastest in manual mode, I feel like. But it's not a true manual mode, it's auto upshifting all the time, which I just don't like. Why did they do that? But I guess that's something you can choose when you get this car tuned. As you can see, the rev limiter is a little further than stock, but this thing, that's 300. My god, this thing is fast! It's a little too busy up there, and you can feel that the Audi A3 platform and suspension is not really made to do like 320 plus, so I'm bailing out. But wow, this car, guys, it really is the best Audi RS3 I've ever driven. It's so impressive what this thing is capable of. Just have a listen. It sounds freaking godly. Oh, it's still no M2 when it comes to handling, but it's an amazing car. It really is. This package makes it a different car without nearly any compromise. Oh, sensational, really, it really is. I am so impressed. Sven, thank you so much for letting me test drive your Audi RS3, which I think is the best one I've ever driven. What a perfect setup. 0 to 100, by the way, 3.18 seconds, and I think on a nice summer's day, 25 degrees, something like that, maybe a semi-slick tire, maybe you could do below 3 seconds with this car, 0 to 100. Not that I really care about stuff like that, but just think of the fact that your Audi A3 is as fast as a Bugatti Veyron. How cool is that? But what a car. Really have to do a cool down right now, but I am just blown away by this. It is just fantastic, really. That was it, guys. The best Audi RS3 I've ever driven. I've driven maybe 50, something like that, 40, 50. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out this POV reviews playlist, this video, and please help us out by subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys. Bye.